Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to watch how to apply an e-visa to travel to Togo. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Togo Voyage site. And it's good that a lot of countries are now moving towards e-visa, and Togo is one of them. So it's really good. Now, let's uh, let's go through this. So, guys, here the very first thing you are going to do is to create an account, and then we are going to take it up from there. Like with this, you can submit your visa application, health declaration. They have given a diagram, in fact. Create an account, complete the form, apply for visa or health test, and then once you are ready you can travel. That's how it is, guys. So you can go through it if you want to. I mean, this is how you'll go through it. So we'll start with creating an account. So you need to provide email, phone, password, and some basic details. So I'm going to create an account and then I'm going to see you guys. Right, guys. So what happens after you register for an account? You get the registration confirmation immediately. And then when you try to log in, it sends a code to your email account that you have to put in. And then you reach to this page. So here you have the option, like if you're going to Togo, you're going to click arriving in Togo. Then you're going to click on the profile and it comes 3 steps: travel information, stay, visa, health screening. So some of the details it's going to pick up. Okay. And some of the fields are mandatory, so you need to do. This is sample information, guys. Don't go with it. Okay. These info pieces of information do not belong to any real person. Okay. Occupation, status, nationality, address abroad. Sample, guys, you put your guess. Of course I won't be submitting this. Okay, next we have gone about travel document. So you need to see as per your case. All these pieces of information you'll get from your passport, and make sure it matches with that. Okay. Now it has got all the information. Now it is asking for the visa. So you don't have a visa, so you're gonna apply for. If you say that you have obtained, it will ask you to link. So you don't have any, so click on apply for a visa. Where is here? Most of the information is already here. Even fee also you see. Okay, and so you go to save and continue. Here you need to put upload your files, picture, passport, reservation, insurance, letter of invitation, hotel attestation, and then when you go to the next page, you're going to pay the fee. So of course, I'm not going to pay the fee, but you got an idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.